Stop copying and pasting one item at a time in Microsoft Word. If you are doing repetitive data entry or moving multiple blocks of text, you are seriously wasting time. There's a hidden feature in Word called Spike. It's a super clipboard that lets you collect multiple things, then post them all at once. Let me show you. So first, we select the first word, like the normal copy and paste. Select the first word, then instead of pressing Ctrl C, we'll press and hold Ctrl F. So as you can notice, the word had disappeared, but it has not disappeared. It has been copied to a super clipboard in order of the appearance. So to select the second word while holding Ctrl F, you highlight the next word. It's copied directly to the clipboard. Copy again. So now that you have collected everything into a single file, then press Ctrl Shift F3. All the data appears instantly. So if you see multiples, meaning I copied the data multiple times. So the data is copied to the clipboard according to the entry time. All your items appear instantly in the order you spiked them. In the order you spiked them means in the order you copied them one by one from where they were. This isn't just an average copy and paste. This is the spike. If you are ready to work smarter, hit the subscribe button.